In this video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Twitch. So you can open twitch.tv on your browsers. And then in a new tab, open up Chrome Web Store. And then search for Twitch Ad Blocker Plus. And then click to add to Chrome. And then click Add Extension. And then it will be automatically added in here. So when you open the jigsaw icon at the top, you will see that you've successfully added the ad block for Twitch. So if this doesn't work out, just try another Twitch ad blocker on Chrome Web Store. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.